Bella. Good morning. What's that? Paw Patrol? Oh. We're just on time. 8:57. Bella will have her assessment today for the first time, Belle.
For the first.
Huh? Yeah, your school. Hindi ka late. A picture of what? Of your school? Ha? Matalino? Ah! Mamaya, bukas kasapin namin ng teacher. Waiting for our order. Zhenya ordered cafe latte. And ako, wala akong drink kasi hindi naman ako nagko-coffee. So, ito po yung mga mukha ng bagong gising. Pero ako nag-coffee bath. Look, si Zhenya, naghilamos lang. Tapos na kami mag-coffee. Si Janya lang yung nag-coffee. Kumain lang ako ng oatmeal cookie. At babalik na kami sa school ni Bella kasi nga 45 minutes lang siya dun. It's her last day sa school. Yung gagawin nila ngayon sa school is assessment lang. We are back in Bella's school. So, naantay na lang namin siya. It's 9:41. 5 minutes na lang makatapos na yung assessment niya. Okay, we are home. And Bella wants to go to the balcony. Bella, it's wet. Be careful. I need to hold you first. Hold on. Sama? We need fresh air, guys. Kaya nandito kami sa labas. Ang bilis lang ni Bella sa school. Go up the bell. Quickly. It's hot, hot. What are you doing?
I want to plant.
You want to plant?
Yeah, I want to plant a garden.
You want to plant in the garden? We do not have a garden. We only have a balcony. Let's go to Lola's farm again.
Yeah.
You can plant there. Oh no! Belle, don't spread the soil, please. Don't Here, oh! Tingnan nyo naman yung halaman namin lang yung nabuhay. Lagi kasi ako namamatay ng plants. Ha? It's very hot?
Yeah, I want to
Papa, breakfast is ready. Let's eat. Belle, come here. Let's eat watermelon. watermelon. Bella. Binihisan ko si Bella ng t-shirt kasi madudumihan to, pang alis kasi ito eh. Nabihisan ko na si Bella. Inaantay ko na siya maging ready kasi ayaw niya pang kumain ng watermelon. Eto, umiinom ako ng coconut juice. Masarap kasi yung coconut juice pag malamig. So, minsan, inuutusan ko si ate na bumili ng coconut juice sa labas. Kasi may nagbebenta lang dito na sobrang lapit. Kaya, lagi akong umiinom ito. Sa province, free lang yung coconut dito sa sa city hindi. Siya, 45 pesos ata to. Maingay yung background natin kasi si Bella hinahampas-hampas na yung yung electric fan. Belle? Oh, kumakain na siya ng watermelon, ha? You need to feed Stitch?
No, I need to pizza. I need to
Feed.
no, I need to beat it. Not it.
Fix your what? Hindi ko maintindihan.
No, I need to.
Ha?
I need to beat the seed here.
Ah, yeah. Don't eat the seed. Just put it here, okay?
Yeah, and the watermelon.
Okay. Thank you, Bella.
Mm.
Yeah. Thank you for eating by
I
yourself.
want to beat.
Wait, let's fix your muna, Belle. Take the watermelon, Belle. Hmm?
I need to something teeth. Oh, there's a teeth there.
There's a seed there. You can remove the seed if you want. So ngayon, wala kaming masyadong gagawin. Yun lang kanina yung hinatid namin sa Bella sa school kasi nga assessment niya. So it's a big milestone for us, parents, na nakaano siya sa assessment kanina, nakatapos. Tomorrow, parent-teacher naman conference. So si Bella, iwan na namin sa bahay. Kung hindi siya iiyak. Pag iiyak siya, dadalhin namin. Hindi sila kasi masyadong close ni ate dito sa bahay. Kaya hindi ko siya maiwan-iwan. Pero itatry ko bukas na iiwan siya para makapag naman sila, build relationship ni ate. Kanina pala, inaantay namin si Bella. Nagpunta kami dun sa coffee shop. So, yung name ng coffee is But First Coffee. So, malapit na siya dun sa school ni Bella. So, nag-order kami ng cafe latte and it was so good. The oatmeal cookie, it was very delicious. Chine-check ko yung yung recipe, pero hindi ko masyadong makuha. What? What, Belle?
I told you that.
Ay, she's busy removing the seeds. That's okay, Belle. Wow.
I told you that it.
I'm so proud of you. Sabi ng teacher assistant kanina sa school, si Bella daw ang pinaka-smart sa klase. Madaldal daw si Bella. Okay, so bukas tingnan ko anong sasabihin ng teacher talaga niya. Inanong ko kasi sa math class. Seed, seed. Oh, what is the color of the seed?
Yellow.
Yellow? Is it yellow?
Yes.
White.
It's white.
White and black.
Back.
What fruit is that?
Huh?
Can you sing the song? Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Nahihirapan ako mag-ano sa book ni Bella magkayos kasi ang likot-likot niya. Tapos ayaw niyang inaano yung hair niya, tinatali. Ngayon nga lang yung natatali kasi pupunta ng school.
Yes. How dare you, no, baby.
You want me to eat this?
No, this is, you're a baby.
I'm a baby, okay. Mmm!
You want again more?
Yeah.
You want again more, baby?
Hindi ko maano si Bella. May ayusin ng maayos kasi.
You want again more, baby?
Yes,
No,
please.
mommy.
Gusto ko sana laging naka-dress si Bella. Kaso, sensitive yung skin niya. Pag kinagat ng lamok, umiitim. Or kinagat ng ng ants, umiitim yung legs niya. Kaya lagi yung naka-pants, tsaka t-shirt lang. Hey, what are we gonna do, mommy?
What is baby?
It's a dog.
I think not a dog.
I don't know the name of the dog. I don't watch Paw Patrol. Can you help me, mommy?
Yeah. This is
Laro-
the cat movie.
Uh-huh.
This is the cat.
Okay. And? Maglaro daw kami ng puzzles. I like using this cream kasi mga ilang days na, like 5 days, nag-heal na yung bite, hindi na siya mapula. Cooking quesadilla again because this is Jenya's favorite snack. Hey Google! Stop!
Because we have the new YouTube season.
Yeah, every July. Gosh, ang init! Ready na yung chicken natin. Yung mga nilagay ko pala ay red bell pepper, onion garlic, tomatoes, chicken, tsaka salt and pepper for seasoning. Yan, ready ko na yung pans para sa wrap natin. Bless you, Belle! Pag nag-ano daw, te, nag-atsuba.
Bless you.
Bless you daw. Nate. Thank you so much. So I'm using perfect Italiano mozzarella. Huh? Wait. What? Ano hinahanap? Anong hinahanap mo, Ben? Oh, Bill, I got a bobo. I got a bobo. Help.
What's that?
I'm making quesadilla for you. Do you want quesadilla?
Yeah, you just want to be a
Okay, okay.
Mama, come.
Wait, I need to cook. Papa is hungry and Bella is hungry.
Mama gonna pick that up. Chick. That up. Chick.
Oh, wow, thank you, Te. Guys, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Pinanood mo na, Te? Ilang videos na panood mo?
Upat. Ang pamilya. Pala ko na tingin.
Te, nagyaw ka ba mo Tagalog? Bisaya, Tagalog, English na. So, 6 na peraso yung magagawa natin dito. So, damihan nyo lang yung chicken nyo. Tsaka cheese. Yummy! Get your plate, please.
Okay.
Te, ubus ang chicken, tsaka cheese. Be careful, Belle, it's hot. Hindi natulog ang bata. Nag-change yung schedule na talaga sa pagtulog. Oh, what's wrong? Cheese. That's cheese. Yummy? Let me check, Belle. Open your mouth. Small pieces, okay?
Not need big bit. Not like a pita. Pita, pita, pita.
Papa has a call, so we could not call him yet. Huh?
Not that town.
What sound?
Not that town.
Papa's a meeting upstairs.
What the town again?
What sound? Do you mean?
What the town?
Song?
No, that town.
Anong sound? What sound? Papa's voice?
No, the active.
Huh?
Active.
Ayaw matulog. Yan, gumagawa-gawa ng bahay. Can eat that. Yes, he can. Stop copying Bella. Can I? Yes, you can eat that. Give her.
Give me, thank you, Tati.
That's pretzel, okay?
Well,
Yeah.
it's not something. Okay, what one? What one kind?
This is the last one.
Niluluto naman ako ng dinner. Ganyan gulay at saka mashed potato.